Hi guys, welcome back. Yep, you guessed it. I might have some engine issues, trouble codes, and I need to figure them out. It's the time of year I have a mission test I have to take, and I'm worried that I might fail. Heads up, guys. I'm going to exercise beginner's privilege on this one. I've never done this before, but I've seen it done a dozen times or so. It's not a big deal whatsoever. I'm just going to connect it to the ODB port and go from there. Okay, let's give it a chance to boot up. Press any button to continue. I choose you. Seems to be scanning, and we have one code. All right. I see two different things. Mechanics, help me out. Is this a code for the engine or two different codes? This is all I can get, and it's very common. Not a big deal at all. I just want to double check. It's like measuring twice and cutting once. Let's read codes. How about pending codes? Nothing to see here. So far, so good. Keep getting the same code no matter what I do. And this is the end result. I'm going to clean the throttle body and mass airflow sensor. You thought I was going to AutoZone, didn't you? I'm going to Menards. I need mass airflow sensor cleaner and throttle body cleaner. Menards is a hidden gem when it comes to stuff like this. First up is the mass airflow sensor cleaner, and they have plenty of it. No throttle body cleaner. Surprise, surprise. I'll pick this up. You know what? I'll pick up some brake cleaner too. I've seen mechanics use this for throttle bodies as well. Might as well pick up some lawn bags. Really need them. Back home under the hood, this engine bay is filthy. So I'll disconnect the throttle body. I'll do that first, clean that. Then I'll disconnect the mass airflow sensor, clean that. Let's bring out the Husky. If you guys don't have a mechanic tool set, shame on you. Got the big tool shop flathead out. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. I'll use the flathead to pull the clip out in order to get to the throttle body. Hard to record and show you, but it's no big deal. Just use your flathead, pull the clip out, then you pull up on the pipe or the hose just like this. Use tools to remove the throttle body and disconnect the wiring from the throttle body as well. I use the 3/8 ratchet, extension, and 10mm socket. This is dirty. Don't think I'll use this. I'm skeptical about it. I don't want to mess anything up. So since I've seen a mechanic use brake cleaner, I'll just stick with that. Let's do it, guys. All up in there. Oh yeah, I gotta be careful not to hit that connector though. Figured I'd soak it front and back. What harm would it do? I'll use this type of towel instead of a terry towel to clean it. The terry towel shed, and I don't want this stuff in that throttle body whatsoever. One word, filthy. Look at how dirty this towel is. Cleaned it, now it's back on. Here's the ratchet, extension, and socket I used. Make sure this hose is connected to the throttle body like it should be, which means I have to get my tool shop flathead again. Very important that you make sure that clip is secured properly. Light is still on. I gotta pass that emission test or I won't be able to get my plate sticker. Time to clean the mass airflow sensor. Just like the throttle body, even though I didn't show you, pull the clip out. Be careful, then push down, then wiggle this thing out. That's how you disconnect it. Use a T15 bit in order to unscrew the mass airflow sensor. Please proceed with extreme caution and put the screws somewhere where you can't lose them. And here it is, the mass airflow sensor. Remember, new kids on the block? We got the right stuff. Don't be scared. Douse it. Should be fine. Let's put it back the way we found it. Done. Back to the beginning. This is what you want to see. No matter what, we got our hands dirty and feet wet. Can't beat that. By the way, shout out to Husky. We couldn't do this job without you at all. And just like that, the engine light has vanished. Can't wait to get to that testing site. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.